Did you know you can heat water just using sunlight? Let's explore how solar water heater works. So solar water heater is a system that uses solar energy to heat water for domestic industry or commercial purpose. The system harnesses the energy of the sun using solar collectors, which convert sunlight into heat. These are all the material we use to create our DIY solar water heater. So all the material we use are all recyclable, which is cardboard, straw, tissue roll, and stick.
Okay, so as you can see, this is our solar water heater prototype, and our prototype consists of few components, which the first one is water tank. If you can see the orange cylinder, it represents the water tank, where the water tank will store water before and after the heating. And the second one, we have solar panel. Below the tank, we have two solar panel units, where the solar panel unit will capture sunlight and convert the sunlight into heat energy and will heat the water inlet. And the third one, we have cold water inlet. At the back of the tank, there's an inlet pipe labeled as cold water in. This is where cold water enter the system from the main water source. And the last one, we have hot water outlet. On both sides of the system, we can see two outlets labeled as hot water out. These pipes allow the heated water to flow out from the solar panel for our use.
So, how the solar water heater works? So it actually through the sunlight absorption through the solar panel, which is typically mounted on the rooftop to absorb the solar energy, and then the heat transfer, which is the absorbed energy, which is the solar energy, is transferred to a fluid flowing through the pipes within the panel, as we can see the one that in the brown color around the blue one. And for the storage, it actually, when the heated fluid is then circulated to a storage tank where it heats the water inside, which is the yellow color one, and then the hot water used, when the hot water needed, it is drawn from the storage tank to the houses. So the thermodynamic concept applied is first law of thermodynamic and second law of thermodynamic. So it is important to note that the energy cannot be created or destroyed and only can be transformed. So in this system, solar energy is the input, and then the energy will be absorbed and converted into heat. And the heat will be transferred to water through collector, which will increase its internal energy, and then the heated water will be stored in tank. So we can conclude that the solar energy absorbed equal to heat gain by the water. So for the second law of thermodynamic, it is important to know that heat engine and heat pump is different with the solar water heater system, which is the input is from the solar radiation, which is absorbed by the solar panel, and the output is the heated water. And it also important to note that the solar water heated system, have loss of heat, which is from the radiation, convection, and conduction. So the fully converted transferred heat in the water is not 100% useful heat.
Okay, now let's look at the advantages of using solar water heater. The first one will be high energy efficiency. Solar water heaters utilize direct solar radiation, minimizing energy conversion losses compared to traditional systems that convert fossil fuels, no electricity, into heat. The use of natural heat transfer processes, radiation, conduction, and convection, reduces the external energy consumption. The second point will be environmentally friendly. By reducing the need for energy derived from fossil fuels, solar water heaters lower carbon emissions and the environmental impact. This adheres to the second law of thermodynamics as it reduces entropy generation associated with conventional heating systems. The last one will be low maintenance. Solar water heaters require minimal maintenance. Periodic cleaning and occasional checks of the components are usually sufficient to keep them functioning efficiently.